Hi, I'm Oberoi, your real estate broker right here in the Silicon Valley. Today I'm proud to present another beautiful listing I have here in the Bay Area. As we know, Bay Area is consisted of so many beautiful towns all over the East Bay Peninsula and the South Bay. Today I happen to be in Oakland, and places like Oakland, East Palo Alto, Newark, Union City, they were not so much in demand like 10-15 years ago, but things have changed over the years and all these places are just booming. I can't wait to show you this opportunity, ideal for first-time home buyers or investors. Let's take a tour. Come on in. This lovely single family home features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and is about 2,000 square feet. The lot size is about 4,400 square feet. This open floor plan features a cozy living room with fireplace, separate formal dining room with original built-in display cabinets, eat-in kitchen with breakfast bar, and spacious bedrooms with mirrored closet doors. Not to mention, it's located close to Mills College, Oakland International Airport, the BART station, downtown Oakland, Berkeley, San Francisco, and much more. Thank you so much for taking the tour. As you saw, it's an amazing opportunity, and if you have any questions, reach out to me, and I want to be a real estate resource right here in the Silicon Valley, and I'm looking forward to seeing you. Bye.